What's up, two-time major champ?
Not much.
How you feeling?
Tired. Hungry.
You gotta bowl that guy.
I do. It'll be interesting. That person's gonna hook a lot.
If this was a week ago, I'd be super duper confident because my ball reaction was stupid good.
I don't remember what I did on this pattern. So.
What was a week ago?
About
qualifying. You're talking about another tournament.
No, yeah, qualifying. Feels like a week ago. It probably was pretty close to it.
What is today? Tuesday?
Yep.
It was a week ago.
Oh my
It
god.
indeed was a week ago.
It was exactly 1 week.
7 days
This
then.
schedule is painful.
Yeah, ball reaction was sick then, but you know, a lot of reoils, a lot of other.
Nothing changes.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, you're right.
Cheetah hooked so much more the first block yesterday, and then it was super tight.
We shall see.
Yep.
Alright, here's the deal. We got Scorpion match play today. A handful of house boys in the running for it. Unfortunately, we have Chris versus Prater. Chris versus Chris in the first round. Packy versus Brandon Brunk. Mikey is bowling Simo. I think that's it. After one, we got Chris by 1, Packy 1, and Mikey up 1. So far, so good. Alright, the Chris and Chris match is pretty close. Prater needs another one to get into the 220s to force Chris to get the first one. I mean, Vi can get the first one to get into the 220s. He's got 3 pins and count on him. Yeah, let's go check it out. So 1-1 in the Chris match. Looks like Mikey's going to go down to Simo this game. It'll be 1-1 there as well. And Packy's match is still pretty close. They still have 3 frames left in game 2. exciting. Mikey survived a 1-ball roll-off to stay alive. It's now 2-2 in his match. The Chris match is 2-2. Packy looks like it's probably going to go to 2-2. So, extended maximum games for all of our matches. Well, congrats.
Thank you.
Moving
Thank
on.
you. Moving on.
Packy's moving on.
We still got 2 alive left in the house, and we don't have to bowl each other. So
Nice.
possibility of 2 house members on the show still.
I like your chances.
We'll see.
All right, so I'm here with, I don't know where you finished, but he was a top 16 champion.
Champion.
The top 16
I don't
champion.
think I was last. I wasn't the low qualifier.
Was not the lowest qualifier, so.
15th at worst.
You got a check, you got to bowl.
We did.
You had a chance at making a show, so.
We had the opportunity.
You want to talk about what happened in the match? You just bowled a god?
Yeah. Good bowler. It's right there.
It's right there. Bowled a god. It's okay.
But hey, I'll buy Mary, I'll buy a box of diapers for you. I guess.
Yeah, man's got to pay for a kid now. Simo's a good guy. Contrary to what a lot of you think.
You just gotta send me.
He's a good guy.
Specs and stuff because I don't have one of those little guys.
He needs
I need
child specs.
Shipping address.
Let's send you a
You're safe with 2-year-old diapers.
That's all right.
Alright. Chris finished in the round 8. Mikey finished in the round 16. I'm bowling tomorrow. And if we win, we're back in the race to make the playoffs. Alright, boys and girls, we're back for the last day of the World Series of Bowling. Shark, match play, and hopefully the show tonight. The house has pretty good representation. We got BJ, Packy, myself, and K-Will. Unfortunately, K-Will and I are in the same bracket, but we don't meet until the second round, so there is a chance that both of us can make the show. But we gotta get out of the first round first. Alright, here we go. We got Dom in the first match. And then if we win, we get Jake or Kev. We're gonna focus on one shot at a time. And hopefully things go our way. I got swept. Dom bowled really good, bowled 250 2 games. I didn't bowl my best. I had a chance in the first game. It kind of set the tone a little bit, which I hate to say, but I never really felt like I was here. So, with that being said, still was a good week. I mean, I finished in the top 30 in every event except for the one I finished almost last. So yeah, I'm in the top 40 now, I think, for points. 65th coming into the day, and it felt really bad because I didn't finish higher than 50th coming into the World Series.
Yeah, top 40. That means I'm definitely in top 40.
So I'm just assuming because I'm in like 42nd, 43rd. finished 15th, I think, here. But I'm not going to get too down about this match because, you know, we're building back up to what can be a good finish to the season. So, get to finish bowling at home, the Masters, which is nice. But we have Lubbock and then Colorado Springs before that. And we saved some, I kind of saved us a little bit here on the drive back because we have to, well, we fly out tomorrow? We fly out tomorrow, but we have to drive back to Ohio first because our flight's in Columbus.